The 2026 Zeekr 9X Grand represents a pivotal advancement in the trajectory of hybrid vehicle development, embodying Geely Group's ambitious integration of multiple electric drivetrain technologies into a singular, flagship SUV platform. This vehicle is particularly noteworthy for introducing the super hybrid system, which amalgamates BEV, battery electric vehicle, PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, and EREV, extended range electric vehicle, capabilities. Such a configuration is emblematic of the evolving automotive industry's endeavor to reconcile the limitations of all-electric range with the practicality of extended driving capacity, thereby providing consumers with both ecological benefits and logistical versatility. In terms of its exterior design and spatial dimensions, the Zeekr 9X Grand exhibits a deliberate alignment with global luxury SUV aesthetics, clearly drawing inspiration from marquee competitors such as the Range Rover. The SUV's substantial length, surpassing 5.2 meters, combined with its assertive stance and refined details such as flush-mounted door handles and slanted D-pillars, reinforce its premium aspirations. Notably, the inclusion of a roof-mounted LiDAR sensor suggests a robust commitment to advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS), aligning with global trends towards semi-autonomous mobility. Though the interior of the Zeekr 9X Grand remains largely undisclosed at the time of this review, the model is expected to offer a sophisticated blend of luxury and digital integration, consistent with Zeekr's design ethos observed in prior models. Given its projected price point exceeding 1 million yuan, the 9X Grand is clearly positioned to compete within the upper echelons of the SUV market, targeting a demographic that values both performance and status.